Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Tech Tom Transmissions. This week will be a challenge. I'm going to challenge you to recreate this little guy. And if you can recreate this, I will give you a choice to print anything you would like on my 3D printer. Now, this is just made of popsicle sticks and maybe some fishing wire. Or is it actually floating? I'll let you see it here. Give you a little 360-degree view of it. This also can balance. No, can't. That's too heavy. We'll try something else.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Let's try this again. This also can balance things on top. So it's not actually floating, but it has the illusion of it. So, can you guys recreate this? Please send your submissions to nedpkids@gmail.com by... I'll give you till next Tuesday. I'd love to see your efforts. Hope you're having a good week. I hope you enjoyed the first episode. If you guys like to see more drone videos, please let me know. Or anything else, please let me know. Hope you're staying healthy and happy. And I'll see you guys next time.